Right, this is my prototype of my portable mesh system. The hardest thing was trying to find a box. If I open up this here and open it up, I got this box from Hobbycraft. Not the strongest box, but it will do for the experiment. That is a mesh node in there, like that. In here I've got a Pro Switch, portable mesh, a power supply. So in the back it's got a PoE on the right there, and on the left the input there, or the output there, is powering up the NETGEAR. I've got this additional battery pack which this plugs into here, and that powers the Wi-Fi. So that's standard Wi-Fi that anybody's tablet, PC, mobile phone can pick up, and it's converted the mesh system that's handled there. Right, I'll get the Ubiquiti node plugged in and we'll see how it works. So you can see the Ubiquiti node is there. I've just got that on the coffee table. That's pointing towards another node in the corner. And if we go into here, we can see that is in the back there. So that's the PoE started. That's also powering the NETGEAR, so that's working fine. And the power pack there is powering the Wi-Fi, and you can see the green light flashing on there. So that now is a working node, and I'll show you how that works. Portable node pointing at another node in the house. I've started off in the GCQ shack. If I go to mesh status, you will see as soon as it loads. So let me just explain. I'm going through ordinary standard Wi-Fi. It happens to be that blue Wi-Fi adapter. So that is converting, if you like, the mesh node Wi-Fi into standard Wi-Fi, so I can look at it on any device that doesn't necessarily have a Cat5 or that I don't want the hassle of having that. And here you can see Link A. Link A is that device I showed just now with the red Cat 6 cable coming out. So that's what it's running. If I go to mesh status on here, it is seeing, well, I can tell you it's going to be seeing the lounge one for a kickoff because it's only 2 meters away from it. So there we are. So the lounge with Nextcloud. It's got my main router, which has got the tunnel server on. That's the dish outside. That's the shack link that handles the dish traffic. That's the shack. It's got the shack cam, the Citadel, and the MeshChat in it. And you can see other people's as well that are on the system. So I can go into G0PHO's lounge. This is all from the portable system. This is all using the normal Wi-Fi, and I happen to be using a Microsoft Surface Pro. So there we are. Okay, so mesh status. So Colin will probably at least see my main router. There we are. That's his bullet link, and that's my main router. So I'm sort of going around in circles really, but it just goes to show you that the small node is used, will be used for point-to-point links. Be demonstrating it at the grand day out, as it were, and hopefully that will be good. Anyway, look, there we are. You can see that it works, and hopefully you like it. So that's the portable system. Over and out.